Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Starlink service address quickly and easily. First, open the Starlink app on your phone or use a web browser and sign in to your Starlink account. Tap the person icon in the app or go to your Manage Subscription page on the website. Select your current service location. You now have two options. You can either use your current GPS location if you've already moved or manually enter the new address where you want Starlink service. Tap Set Service Address to save the changes. If the new location isn't available because of capacity limits, you might see a message suggesting a roam plan or waste list. You can also check the Starlink coverage map to confirm availability before making the change. And that's it. That's how to change your Starlink service address. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.